We sent a hot dog across the street to Andy Griffith when he was shooting the film across the street. And there's a man comes here every morning that worked with Andy Griffith. I talked to Ginger, the Woodcock, the girl that sings in the band.
Yeah.
She was with the movie studio. So she said, Dave, I'm gonna get you a list. And she says, I think it's as many as 60 people that worked on movies around here, close by. And I know that Schwarzenegger was here. The story on Ben Affleck is that they interviewed him on the radio, asked him if he'd ever been to the seafood place at Rice Beach, Big Daddy's Seafood. He said, no, but I've been to Paul's place. But I know Buddy Hackett was here one night. I talked with him for 2 hours. He had them rolling. I got a phone call, Buddy Hackett sat over here. I said, no, you're lying. He said, come over here. Well, it just happened. I mean, Daddy invented, if you will, formulated the relish in 1943 during World War II when meat was rationed for making the typical chili. So he and a couple of buddies, that one of them worked for John Sexton Company. They had a barbecue sauce that was real red, rich, tomatoey, and he combined that with Mount Olive Pickles relish to make Paul's relish. We say it's a secret recipe. The truth is that every kid that ever worked here knows how to make it. Well, it started maybe as long ago as 15, 20 years possibly. People would come and say, can I set up out here and sell some stuff? Sure, go ahead, no problem, just do it. Well, my wife said, why don't we charge them a little something? I said, okay, well, $5.
I told you twice, but you don't take no one advice, so move it on over. Slide it on over.
For the love of the music, the true gold old music. It's what we grew up with. Plus I love Paul's place. My parents came, I came, I brought my children, and my grandchildren are coming. It's part of our life.
I was 8 years old. I was at school, so I didn't get to see it, but my daddy said that the plane landed on the highway, 117, right out here, taxied up to the gas pump, walked in and said, can you take a U.S. government money or purchase order for gasoline? Daddy said, yes, sir, but the hose is not long enough. So a bunch of men went out, picked the airplane up, slid it over to the gas pump, and they filled up with gas.
Well, it's kind of a tomato base with a pickle type relish, and it's just tasty. That's why we like it.
It's not too sweet and it's got a good tang to it. I guess that's why I like it. Been eating them all my life, I don't know.
Oh, it's delicious. I've had it for years. It's really good. Best in town.